Alright guys, we got invited on the lake today. It's Gaines' first time ever being on a boat or the lake. Oh my gosh, hold on, time out folks. Look at this. Say Hudson, are you guys matching?
That is insane. I didn't even know they were going to be both the same tonight.
I know, that's crazy.
Hey, Hudson, that is crazy. The forklift might smack.
So just so anybody that's watching this, if you know me and you happen to know Jordan Green, my son and his son are like 2-year-old versions of both of us. My son's very reserved, you know, and Hudson's not. So if you know Jordan, you know what that means, you know. But anyway, it's Gaines' first time on a boat on the lake, so I figured we'd vlog it. Either he'll love it or it'll be a disaster. But either way, it should be fun, so we're gonna do it. Aubrey, is there anything you want to say to the camera?
Well, the first time we went on this boat ride, you didn't come, but I did my first time actually on a, like, those things like you really give, what's it called, that thing?
Like a, wake surfing?
Like the thing you go on water, like that thing.
Oh yeah, like a tube.
Tube. My first time tube was last month, and it was really fun. I was gonna go 2 times, but at first it started raining, so I didn't really get to do that. Came home, went to bed, and then we are done. So.
Gotcha. What's up, dog?
Ready to go chill?
Yeah, man. It'll be fun. Buddy, what do you think?
You wanna go fast?
Say, buddy, do you want to sit beside Dad?
I'm moving.
Say, buddy, do you want to sit beside Dad?
No.
What are you doing, Aiden? Girl. Yeah?
I'm gonna go fast.
You want to go fast?
Yeah. What? That's my one.
Oh, look at the jet ski, brah.
What?
You me throw you? Okay. Alright, ready?
Like, what just happened?
You me throw you? Okay, ready? You want Daddy to throw you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
3.
I can't do it.
Okay, then let Scott go first. Go, Scott.
You ready? How deep is it here, PJ? Like 8?
Gaines, are you counting him down?
All right, buddy, count me down. Are you ready? Count me down.
3.
2, 1.
Say, you gotta tell me go.
Go!
Say, Dad, there's no jumping right now. We're going.
Yep. Okay, come on, I got you.
Good thinking.
I got you. Come on, bud.
I'm scared. Why are you scared?
So we made it to the island. There's the boat way out there. And check this out, folks. Trusty Yeti bag. The old Panga threw the camera stuff in here. Threw it in the lake. It was just like little baby Moses floating over here the whole way. Listen. First time I ever had to use it for that, but it was dope.
He's still got his regular diaper on.
Say, buddy.
He's extra inflatable.
Say, buddy, do you have your regular diaper on? Buddy looking thick, you know what I mean?
Oh my gosh. He's walking like this. Thank you.
Yeah, bud.
Hey, do you want to take your diaper just off?
Buddy. So Aubrey, what are you thinking about all this?
It's good.
Is it good?
Stand up. Stand up.
You good, bud?
Okay. Okay, don't drink the water, okay? Don't drink the water.
Come on, people.
Okay, stand up. Take a break. Take a break. Take a break. Okay? Take a break.
But
Take a break.
maybe
Breathe.
don't
Breathe.
make a good thing a bad thing.
So we're heading back to the boat. It's time to put the old camera back in the old Moses bag here and float him on back to the boat there. So.
See you guys in a little bit.
What's funny is I hit the record button before I put it in the bag, just to see what kind of weird noises it picks up when we float here. Like the camera's recording inside of my bag right now. Oh God. Yep.
Just like you, hoping, praying, run away to something new. My mistakes brought me to this place. I had to fall to get to you.
Just out here, folks, living our best life. PJ's about to set out the raft for the kiddos. Yeah, buddy.
I definitely need to run because the last time
Rachel's currently videoing me vlogging.
I'm definitely not doing that either.
Okay, Aubrey, come back here.
She's just jealous.
Yeah.
Good, honey, you're hopping on.
Anything to say for yourself over there?
I'm just getting the behind the scenes. Everyone has
Yeah.
a place.
Yeah. Yeah, if you guys want the BTS of the vlog, the BTS of the BTS, then follow Rachel on Instagram. Oh, buddy, are you helping me film? Are you helping me film? Are you? You come here. Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, babe. Hold on.
What's on my head? Is it big? Oh my gosh, what's on my head? Oh,
Look at
I
that.
see it reflecting. Get it off my head.
What is it? What is that thing?
Get on it.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe. I flicked your head. I'm sorry.
Hey, this thing just flew off like nothing. It's on its
I cannot believe that landed straight on your hat.
I need counseling.
What did you do?
That was a huge turtle. Oh. What was that?
Love the fact that I didn't immediately get it off because I was like, we have to get this on camera.
Yeah, and I got you flicking my head.
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. That was close to abuse. It's fine. Everything's fine. I didn't know if it was a huge, like, Japanese hornet or what.
Do you want me to get on there with him?
Well, folks, we tried the tubing adventure. Kids immediately, I think what they do, face plant, Courtney?
No, the tube went under.
Oh, the tube immediately went under,
And they're probably scarred for life.
Scarred for
Let's
life.
do it again.
crying. Jordan, though, was
Baywatch.
a hero of heroes. Baywatch style, immediately dove in and rescued them from utter peril. So,
Get the argument. I'll get it.
Turn it off.
Good plan.
Courtney, what
Yeah.
do you, babe?
Yeah.
Bypass is like 40 feet.
Well, I'm doing
Well,
this.
get back in the boat.
What?
Honey, stop.
Yeah.
Hudson's
Hudson's going to the tube.
Huh?
He's trying to get on that thing.
Babe, you were like you just drove past us. You understand what you did?
Yeah.
At least she didn't hit you.
I knew that was a bad idea.
Hey, I'm just gonna ride with him.
I am.
Okay, good.
But
Just
now it's
back.
Hudson because
Drive so slow. You can't not pay attention.
Okay.
Like you bypass us by 45 feet.
Do you have your boating license?
first when I fell, I went under the tube. I came off, and you must have seen that. I fell off and did a flip go under.
Really?
And then I came straight up, and you might have seen my head flip that thing up.
What?
You might not have seen my head come up and push the float up. Then Hudson kind of really high.
Alright.
Are we good?
mm-hmm.
Mom, you're
Are they gliding over the water? Boat. That's red.
To get to you. I've been waiting for somebody just like you, hoping, praying.
Alright, so we're back, folks. The night is officially coming to a close. Gaines, do you have anything to say about the trip? Did you like it? You did? Can you tell the people bye?
Bye.
Can you wave?